I did this look for you guys using the Avocado palette. If you guys are interested, keep watching. I'm gonna start with Toast, which is this one here. And I'm gonna be applying that all over the eye. Scream until our last breath, every heartbeat. I'm gonna move on to Half, which is this one. It's more like a kind of like an olive green, and I'm gonna concentrate that right here by where my crease is at. I'm just going a little more higher. So I am excited, guys, because I have been purchasing some more makeup. One of them is arriving tomorrow, so I will probably be doing a video on that, a review for you guys. BH Cosmetics number 13 thin brush. This is the one I like to use to intensify my cut crease. It's very, very thin. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Has. So it's this dark one right here. It's like a dark green. It almost looks black, but it's super, super dark green. Come on now. With those two colors, which are Toast and Half. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep applying all over the lid practically, so it doesn't matter if it gets kind of faded. I'm just gonna go over it a little more. So going back with Has, which is that super dark green. So I'm thinking that's where I'm going to stop as of right now. And I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the crease. So to cut the crease, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl in Buff Beige. So this is the one I've been using lately. Okay, and I'm going to be using my Luxie 246. Beauty blender, I'm just gonna kind of tap it a little bit. I'm gonna be using this one now, and it's called Guacamole, and this one's really bright. So I'm gonna be using the Miss Glam brush, and it's the N15, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid, not going low. I'm doing kind of like a double cut crease. Standing side by side. So far, like, I'm loving these shadows. They're very, very pigmented. Well, I still have to check out and try the popcorn palette. See if it's as pigmented as this one, and if it has all its fallout, because this one has a lot of fallout, but I really don't mind that as long as they are pigmented and they work. That's literally what I'm looking for in an eyeshadow palette. Okay, I do notice that I did go a little over with this one, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. So I'm gonna be using Guacamole again. So it's this one right here, and I'm just gonna be filling this in again. So just making it a little brighter, and I'm gonna go back with that dark green Has, and I'm gonna be going over it a little more just because the other color went over it a little bit. I'm going to be using the Luxie 239, and I'm going to be putting Half all over my lid. They work beautiful. Like, they blend so good. The color is good. I'm loving this palette here. So I have high hopes for the popcorn palette as well. I'm going to be using the Moda Pro Smudge Brush. And I'm going to be grabbing green and gold. And it's this shimmery one. It's so pretty, guys. I mean, alone it's nice. But once you wet your brush, like, oh my god. It gives it like that nice effect. Like, I love shimmer eyeshadows.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep.
The color that I'm going to be using in the middle, it's going to be this one right here. It's another shimmer green color, and this one's called Smoothie. So I'm just going to be using my finger.
You pretend though you don't have to.
Using this shadow, and it's called Creamy, and I'm just going to be applying it on my brow bone.
Play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
I'm going to be using the Equal Tools brush, and I'm going to be starting with Avo. So I'm going to be grabbing Guacamole now. And now I'm going to be using green gold on the inner and outer. So inner. And then on the outer. And I'm going to be using Smoothie on the middle.
You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you found me, you learned when the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your arm.
Okay, so I went ahead and added some pore filler already. I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Blur Primer. The Decay All Nighter. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. I absolutely love the palette. I'm happy I purchased it, and I will see you guys next time.
We will face it, standing side by side.